also were destroyed by these voters over there in different polling stations. So we have complained to the Election Commission of India and to the chief electoral officers Manipur, and also at the ground we have complained to the presiding officers concerned. So what happened is that in 36 polling stations in the inner parliamentary constituency, we had complained to this concerned authority for repolling, because the severely rigging over there. So the agents cannot sit inside the polling stations, and the voters who are supported to the Congress party, they cannot vote in the different places or the different polling stations. So today what happened is that in these different places in Bishnupur district also, these cross-firing, these BJP supporters and the voters had started this cross-firing and everything. That because arms are everywhere in the across the stage. So that was also happened in Bishnupur, and then Khurai also want all these persons who come out for voting. He was also injured by this attack by these miscreants who came for this voting for the BJP. So this miscreant attack to the public, and very unfortunately that all men in Khurai were injured severely. So that is happening to different other places also. In fact, what happens is that we are complaining to the concerned authority. That is in Haingang we have complained 3 polling stations for repoll, and Khurai we had complained that is also 3 polling stations for repoll, and in Khetrigao there are other also, and we had complained 4 polling stations for repoll. Thongju we had complained 5 polling stations for repoll, and in Kairao Assembly constituency we have complained 6 polling stations for repoll. In Andro only 1 we had complained, because those who want to complain, they are also feel afraid because of this attack and threats by the miscreant across the areas. Andro Assembly constituency, some of the polling stations who could not complain were also there. So in the High School Assembly, that is also only 1 polling stations we had complained for repoll. Sekmai we had 5 polling stations. Konthojam we had 2, and Oinam we had these 3 polling stations. Moirang 3 numbers of polling stations for repoll. And in the outer parliamentary constituency, we had complained the 11 polling stations for repoll. That is in the Sugnu Assembly constituency. These are the polling stations complained for repoll. These were threatened since day before yesterday. Those who are going to be the agents for Congress party, both in the inner and the outer, they had got threats day before yesterday, and today also in the early morning they have severely threatened to the polling stations. The armed miscreants came inside the polling station and sit near the polling agent and threatened to go out from the polling station. So almost all the polling stations in the periphery areas, that is in this Hyangla Mesi and Sugnu Esi and other also there, but